Today is the showdown. From previous episodes, we already have these clues: the bus ticket, the name, Vega. 15 minutes later, Detective Lee steps off the last bus to River Bridge. Somewhere in the mist, the final piece of the puzzle is waiting. The night bus hissed to a stop at River Bridge. Only one other passenger got off, a woman in a red silk scarf. Red silk scarf. She was no longer wearing the black gloves described at the market, but her shoes were small, size 6, with 3 tiny stars on the soles. Lee matched her pace. "Late trip, Miss Vega?" The woman froze. A faint jasmine smell drifted in the damp air. I just needed some fresh air," she said. Lee held up the scratched button and the perfume vial. These were found behind the museum. Vega's eyes dropped. Slowly, she unzipped her bag, revealing a rolled canvas. "It was for my art school fees," she whispered. Detective Lee fastened the handcuffs gently. "You're talented, Miss Vega. Use that talent the right way next time." That's the end. That's the showdown. 3 useful words today. Showdown. Showdown means a final serious confrontation, a final serious moment, a dramatic moment of truth. It's often used in detective stories, sports, or politics. The final showdown between the hero and the villain. The final showdown between the bad guys and the good guys. The other one is the final showdown between my football team and Spain. Another example: after weeks of tension, the meeting turned into a showdown, a final moment. That's a showdown. Fasten. Listen to this word carefully. Fasten. You don't hear the T, do you? You don't call it fasten. It's fasten. So it's a silent T. Fasten. So fasten means to close in or to attach or secure something. You always hear this when you sit on a plane. Fasten your seatbelts before the plane takes off. In the story, Detective Lee fastened the handcuffs around Vega's wrists. It looks like fast can mean quick. He runs fast. Or it can also mean not eating. She's fasting. The Muslims are having their Ramadan fast. So they're fasting. They're not eating. Or in this story, it is fixed. The door is fast shut. I have fastened my seat belt. The third word, talented. Miss Vega was talented. So it's an adjective, not a past tense of talent. So she has talent. She has something. She has talent. It becomes she is talented. That means she has talent for something. So compare this with the other types of verbs like present, presented. So here the ed is not a past tense. Talent, talented. A couple of quick questions about the story. See if you can remember it. What color scarf was Miss Vega wearing? What did Lee fasten on Miss Vega? So the color was red. It was a red silk scarf. Detective Lee fastened a handcuff on Miss Vega. So the case is closed. When I say the case is closed, it means that this case is solved, this case is done, it's completed. So Detective Lee recovered the painting from the museum and Miss Vega was arrested. All the clues you heard from episode 1 to today, episode 5, the footprint, the button, the perfume, which is the jasmine breeze perfume, the bus ticket that led to the stop, the river bridge stop, they all fit together. The mystery is solved. The case is done. So it is done in 5 short episodes. So congratulations, Detective Lee, and to you, you solved the case. Which should be our next mini-series? Maybe it's a pirate treasure hunt or a space station mystery. Subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss the next adventure. And keep your English sharp for every clue every day. The next episode will wrap it up. We'll review the whole series and see what we have learned from it all together. See you next time.